Here's how to fix Big Walk crashing, not launching, or crashing to desktop on PC. Start by updating your GPU drivers from your manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and restart your PC before testing again. Outdated drivers are responsible for the majority of game crashes that happen during loading or in the first few minutes of play. Verify your game files through Steam. Right-click Big Walk in your library, go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will repair any corrupted or missing files automatically. Install all pending Windows updates under Settings, then Windows Update, and restart. Then check your GPU assignment, go to Settings, then System, then Display, then Graphics. Add the game's executable and set it to high performance to ensure your dedicated GPU is being used rather than integrated graphics. If still crashing, try forcing DX11. Right-click the game in Steam, go to Properties, then General, and add DX11 into the Launch Options field. Some games crash specifically on DX12, and this bypasses it entirely. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables and the DX end-user runtime from Microsoft's official site. Finally, run sfc/scan now in CMD as administrator to repair any corrupted Windows system files that could be causing instability. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.